Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow's my son's birthday, so we decided that we were going to do, where's the gnat in here? I decided that I wanted to do a seafood boil for him. I've been wanting to do a seafood boil for the family anyway, and I thought today would be the perfect time to do that for his birthday. So I've got some sausage going on over on the stove, as you can hear it very loudly. I want to give my sausage a little bit of color before I put it in there, but I've never made one of these before, so it's exciting and it's fun, and I hope it turns out all right. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I kind of got behind here.
Yeah, well, it's pretty crazy now.
I told them they didn't have to be quiet in this, that it's not a professional video. Well, none of them are, really, so. But anyway, I got behind on my macaroni because I had forgotten I had to make macaroni and cheese. I was going to make white cheddar macaroni and cheese, but I bought white American instead of white cheddar, but it's a thought that counts, right? It says to, I've got my water started, it says to put like a half of an onion, a whole onion cut in half, and then garlic as well. I'm afraid I'm going to take my finger off.
I'll do that.
Sounds like it's starting to boil.
It ain't boiling yet.
Dang, how do you get that off?
It's not boiling.
Should I just put that in there? You know what? I think they just done like this. Maybe I should have watched the video again.
I think they just throw them in there half.
Yeah, like that. Actually, they threw all that stuff in there, so that's what we're going to do too. We're going to do what they do.
Come on.
Peelings and all, Nick?
What?
Peelings and all?
I don't know.
I think they put peelings and all. I've seen them put the onions, peelings and all. Alright, this is going in the pot. I'm going to show you what I got in the pot here. Alright, I got cheese all over the stove, making macaroni and cheese. You know what? We're going to have to... What's that smell like to you? Does it smell like Cajun stuff? You want to dump some...
It doesn't really have a smell to me.
You want to dump some Old Bay and Cajun seasoning in it, or...
Dumping the whole thing like they do?
No, don't dump in the whole thing. Oh, look, don't look at that. I'm going to go ahead and put my onion in there. And then...
Look how much. I can get it open.
Come on, it's boiling. Needs to be a rolling boil.
Oh, I forgot to take the sticker off the lemon. Oh, well.
Yeah, it's flavor.
You guys be careful when you swallow.
Girl, just get a ladle.
Huh?
Just get a ladle.
Oh, it ain't going to hurt nobody.
Yes, it would.
Ready?
What's that?
I don't know.
All right.
How much?
That's pretty good. We'll taste it. What did you...
Man, I
Here,
couldn't
put
get it
that in
open.
front of the camera. Put that in front of the camera. I want you to look how he opened that.
I couldn't get it open.
All right. That's all right. And then we're going to add a whole thing of garlic. Sorry, it's getting...
Old Bay.
Yeah. And then just... Randy's putting some Old Bay in there. That's good for now. We'll taste it. Well, I mean, it's got a bag in there. Huh? Don't you want to taste it?
Taste what?
It's about to start boiling. And once it starts boiling, I think we should add more. Who wants
I
to?
don't know. I mean, I always see them just dump like 12 of these in there.
Oh, 12. Oh, well.
I mean, I don't know exactly.
You want to taste it? Who wants to taste the boiling water?
You can taste them.
Taste the herb water.
It smells good.
I don't really know what Old Bay tastes like exactly. Because I always get mine all mixed together.
Oh, yeah, you definitely need some more stuff in there.
I told you it's a lot of water.
Yeah, that's a lot of water.
I mean, too much of this probably won't hurt.
Has it got salt in it?
Yes.
Okay, well, just... Okay, that's enough. Oh, you know what? Get the other bag. There's another bag over there, the boiling bag.
Just toss it in.
Yeah. And then if that's not enough, we can add some more. Okay.
Oh, they need some boiling.
Well, as soon as it starts boiling, we're gonna put our potatoes in. We're not. We're gonna eat that roll.
Oh, okay. Let me get my fork.
Where's the butter?
A whole stick of butter in there. All right, this is not going as planned. All right, stick it in there.
We can just eat this.
He's made garlic butter for.
Oh, hang on, hang on.
Put the paper in there. It'll flavor it. That's unsalted butter. All right, are you guys seeing this?
Happy an egg.
Better dunk it in there first.
Now, it's almost ready. It's almost getting ready to come to a boil. Macaroni and cheese is almost done, of course. But I'm going to start working on my biscuits, so I don't need to show you guys that because my biscuit recipe is already on here. I'm going to shred my butter into my... Here, you want to do this? Well, I dropped the potatoes. My macaroni and cheese is about done. This is not going as planned.
Well, now it almost smells like fish boiled stuff.
Huh? Well,
Yeah, we dumped the whole cake.
you dumped the whole thing of cake. And
Oh,
we
you put some umami in it.
I put everything in there.
a mommy.
Umami.
You want to make the biscuits or do you want to? And there's a tornado wing popped up somewhere. Like, shit. Or, oh, shoot.
Are you recording?
Yes. Beep. He blinked at me.
You gotta do it all. Like,
Oh, I think it's boiling. Here.
oh shit.
Here, you can finish it. You gotta work fast with this, because this is,
It's buttered.
yes, and it's still frozen. Let's go over here while we add the potatoes.
Evaporate.
No, it's not, because we're gonna get those together, because I'm getting ready to pull the macaroni and cheese out. All right, we're kind of multitasking here. As my potatoes turn brown. Oh, it's a bubbling. It's a bubbling. Getting ready to bubble, so we're gonna put these in. And these are the red potatoes. They're not like little red potatoes. They're like, some of them are like big. So I just cut them in half. And ooh,
Ah, my eye.
that's hot. Back up. Back up. Ouch. And I just got this pot today too. I ordered this from Myers because I didn't have one big enough. Because I got a lot of seafood. I can't wait to show you the seafood that I got. Spent a small fortune, but you know, I've been wanting to do this for the family anyway, and I need something bigger. Let's use this. Those potatoes should take about 12-13 minutes to cook. We're gonna put our corn in here in about 5 minutes. Potatoes, but I don't have a fork long enough to test those potatoes.
You ain't got one of them spear things?
Girl, use my lobster fork.
Use the grill thing. Where's
Well,
the...
you know what?
The grill's got that spear.
By the time something happens, something else will happen. Here, I don't want them too soft. Where's my spaghetti fork? Roscoe's over here trying to catch any little piece of cheese that drops. Well, we're just gonna trust the magic because I don't want. You know, the red potatoes, they won't take long to cook. So by the time I drop the corn, let it cook for about 5 minutes or so, because the potatoes will be mush. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, by the time I drop everything will be perfect. All right, we're gonna drop the corn. And this is corn that I bought at my, well, I was about to lie to you and say my local farmer's market, but I didn't. I bought it at Kroger's. I bought it at Kmart. I think I'm gonna need a beer.
Another one or a?
A beer. He's over here using his fancy words. What's some of your fancy words? Menage. Oh, look how pretty. Huh?
The.
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
Somebody else is supposed to check that.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add, I think, the lobster tails first because they are not cooked. So we're going to put this, and I want you to see how big these are. I bought 6 of these. Look at that. Look how big that is. We're just going to add those right in. Look how big those lobster tails are. That's a little one. That one ain't mine, I can tell you that right now. I ain't taking no little lobster tail. Look at that, that's turning pink already, although I know it's not done. Okay, we're gonna throw everything else in there right now. In here is, I got shrimp. And then I got scallops. They're supposed to be, you're supposed to put this stuff in order and how long it takes to cook, but you know what? This will all be done in like 5 minutes, so. And then in with everything else.
Yep, they're done.
Alright, so all we have to get in here now is the crab legs, right?
No, how you're gonna do that?
Huh?
I don't know how you're gonna do that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to just kind of like push them down in there. I don't know how we're gonna get all this in here. It's a good thing I got this pot today, because my pot is like half this size. And then we'll pour some of the juice in there. All right, it's finally done, I think. My biscuits are getting ready to come out in a couple minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put, I ended up having to put some in another pan. So once we get so far, oh, there's a claw. There's just a claw.
Yeah, he's missing a claw.
How is biscuit? Are they good? Okay, I can serve them with a little basket. I'm not gonna serve them. This is not Red Lobster.
Hey, I joined the Red Lobster Club.
Oh, did you?
I got 75 points
What,
just for joining.
what can that get you?
Well, after you get like 1,000,000 points, you get like a free dessert.
Oh wow.
1,000,000 points.
You're only like,
Look at that, guys. Still feel like so good. Peace out. We love you. Bye.